Jai Hind sir. Myself Cadet Pundlik Lamane from 37 Karnataka Battalion, Bagalkot, Headquarter Ballari. Now we discussion on leadership, qualities of selected leaders of the region. Introduction. Karnataka has given birth for many famous personalities who served for nation. Few of notable and dynamic people from Karnataka are glanced in the PowerPoint presentation. The life, qualities, and principles of the notable leaders are relevant till today. People are influenced by their work, life, and principles. Leaders are classified in following category and made an attempt to comprehend their leadership qualities. First one, Army. A. General Kariyappa. B. General Gurnath Beur. Second one, Sports. A. Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble. Third one, Social Reform, Basavanna and Sudha Murthy. Fourth, Freedom Struggle. A. Kittur Rani Chennamma. B. Sangolli Rayanna. Many famous leaders of Karnataka and Goa states are briefly glanced from different areas. Leaders from Army. First one, General Kariyappa. General Kariyappa was born on January 28, 1899. Kariyappa was one of six children of an official in the British colonial administration of India. Awards: Order of the British Empire, Branch Service, British Indian and Indian Army. It was Kariyappa who started and supported NCC during its formative years. Year of service 1999 to 1953 and 1986 to 1993. In 1939, the Skene Committee was set up to examine the option for the Indianization of the Indian Army officer ranks, as Kariyappa was the of the most senior Indian officer of with 19 years of service. The committee held several discussion with him. General Kariyappa. He was awarded the 5-star rank of Field Marshal, the highest honor in the Indian Army. He was also honored with the Order of Chief Commander of the Legion of Merit by US President Harry Truman. He was the first Indian Commander in Chief of the Indian Army. He led India forces on the Western Front during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. He was appointed Commander in Chief of the Indian Army in 1949. He is one of only two Indian Army officers to hold the 5-star rank of the Field Marshal. Next, we will discuss about General Gurnath Beur. General Gurnath Beur was born on 11th August 1916, Sioni, Madhya Pradesh. Service British Indian Army and Indian Army. Awards: Padma Visishta Seva Medal, Padma Bhushan in 1972. In a long service spanning 4 decades, General Beur saw action during World War II and later was involved in Indian Army operations in Pakistan, including during the Second War in 1965, as well as effectively commanding the Southern Command during the Third War in 1971. He succeeded Field Marshal Sam Manikeshav as the army chief in January 1973, and following his interment from the army, served as the Indian ambassador to Denmark till 1979. In 1972, he was honored with Padma Bhushan, the third highest Indian civilian award. He succeeded the popular Field Marshal Sam Manikeshav, the liberator of Bangladesh, as Army Chief on 15 January 1973, and held that appointment for 2 years and 4 months till his retirement on 31st May 1975. Now we will discuss about Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was born on 11th January 1973. His age is 48. Indore, Madhya Pradesh in India. Rahul Sharad Dravid is a former Indian cricketer and captain of the Indian national team. He is the director of cricket operations at National Cricket Academy, Bengaluru, India. He also monitor the progress of India A and India under 19 cricket team. Before this, he was head coach for the Indian under 19 cricket teams. Under his coaching, under 19 team was runners up at 2016 to 19 Cricket World Cup in 2019. BCCI appointed Dravid as a head of NCA. Known for his sound batting technique, Dravid has scored nearly 25,000 runs in international cricket and is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. Rahul Dravid, leadership qualities, team management skill. Second one, skill of handling critical situation. Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble was born on 17th October 1970. His age is 50. Bengaluru, Karnataka in India. Anil Kumble is a former Indian cricketer, coach and commentator who played tests and ODIs for 18 years. A right arm leg spin bowler, he took 619 wickets in Karnataka Test cricket and remains the third highest wicket taker of the all time. In 1999, while playing against Pakistan, Kumble dismissed all 10 batsmen in a test match innings, joining England's Jim Lockyer as the only player to achieve the feat. He is also the only Indian player to have done that till date. Awards: Arjun Award and Sport Award from the Government of India in 1995. One of the Wisden Crickets of the Year in 1996. Among the 16 crickets shortlisted for the Wisden Indian Cricketer of the 20th century in 2002. Padma Shri, a civilian award from the Government of India in 2005. Anil Kumble, leadership qualities, coordination skill among team members, providing opportunity to lift subordinates. Now we will discuss about Basavanna. Basavanna was born on 11/30. Basavan Bagewadi in Vijaypur district, Karnataka in India. Basavanna separated social awareness through his people popularly known as Vachanas. Basavanna grew up in a family with a tradition of Saivism. This movement shared its roots in the Anging Tamil Bhakti movement, particularly the Shaiva Nayanars traders over the 7th to 11th century. The Basava Purana in chapter 1 presents a series of impassioned debates between Basava and his father. Basavanna leadership qualities: social reformer and concern toward common man, popular through principle of work is worship and the feeding poor, given importance for women empowerment, struggled to bring quality, equality and casteless society. Now we will discuss about Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy born on 19 August 1950. Citizenship in India. Occupation Chairperson Infosys Foundation Writer. Awards Padma Shri. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation and a member of the Public Health Care Initiatives of a Gates Foundation. Murthy initiated a whole move to introduce computer and library facilities in all schools in Karnataka and taught computer science. Gold medal from the Indian Institute of Engineers, India, for having secured the first rank in MTech of all the branches of engineering. Sudha Murthy leadership qualities: concern towards the downtrodden student and society, role model for corporate social responsibility. Next, we will discuss about Kittur Rani Chennamma. Kittur Rani Chennamma was born on 23 October 1778, Kakati, Kingdom of Mysore. Chennamma's husband died on 1824, leaving her with a son and a state till to voluntary. Rani Chennamma adopted Sivlingappa in the year 1824 and made him the heir to the throne. Rani Chennamma fought fiercely with the aid of her deputy Sangoli Rayana, but was ultimately captured and imprisoned at Bailhongal Fort, where she died on 2nd February 1829. Chennamma was also helped by her henchman Guru Siddhappa in the war against British. Next, we will discuss about Sangoli Rayana. Sangoli Rayana was army chief of the kingdom of Kitturu. He fought the British East India Company till his death. Sangoli Rayana participated in the 1824 rebellion and was arrested by the British, who released him later. Sangoli Rayana participated in the 1824 rebellion and was arrested by the British, who released him later. He mobilized local people and started a guerrilla type war against the British. He and his guerrilla army moved from place to place, burnt government offices, waylaid British troops, and plundered treasuries. He taxed the landlords and built up an army from the masses. Rayanna was helped by Gajavira as Siddhi warrior in his revolt against the British in 1827 to 1830. Leadership qualities: A. Loyalty towards Queen and Kingdom. B. Organizing skill. C. Quality to fight against injustice. D. Quality of brave. Conclusion: from the above information, we conclude that the life qualities and principles of the notable leaders are relevant till today. People are influenced by this work, life, and principles, and we all follow the qualities of all leaders. Thank you for giving this opportunity. जय हिंद सर.